Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Virgo, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ay isang timeless money career reading for you. So, maaari itong mag-resonate sa inyo sa past, sa present, at sa future. So, panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, and Rising Venus signs ninyo. Para sa iba pang mensahe, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. And of course, just a reminder, no, you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay, so let's see Virgo sa inyong money, recent past sa money. King of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo nag-iipon ng maigi sa finances or maaring marami kayong mga life's lessons natutunan pagdating sa pera ninyo. So, mas maingat na kayo ngayon sa pag-handle ng inyong kaperahan. So, pagdating sa current energy ninyo, you have the 4 of Wands. So, pwedeng meron kayong pinag-ipunan related sa bahay. Pwedeng pagpapatayo ng bahay, pagbili ng bahay, pagpapa-renovate ng bahay, or meron kayong kailangan bilhin sa bahay ninyo. And you are happy because you were able to achieve that, no? So, meron ditong celebration, happiness, and stability sa home life mo. And this can be you or the person that you're dealing with sa family na meron kayong certain achievement sa bahay ninyo. So, near future sa finances ninyo is the Wheel of Fortune. Wow! Things are changing for the better when it comes to your finances. Kumbaga, meron kayong binago na dynamics dun sa pera ninyo eh. Maaring dati hindi kayo ganun ka-responsible sa pag-handle ng finances ninyo. And nagkaroon kayo ng realization that you really need to make some changes, mas maging disiplinado kayo sa pag-handle ng kaperahan ninyo. And it is really working well for you right now kasi nakita nyo na yung resulta nun. And in the near future, you will Parang meron ditong level up eh. Pagdating sa finances nyo, maaring mas marami na kayong ipon ngayon, mas marami na rin kayong sources of income, and things are doing well with your finances. So, pagdating naman sa career, let us see, you have the 8 of Cups. So, meron ka talagang tinalikuran dito na trabaho, career, na or negosyo na hindi na nagwo-work towards your goals and dreams. You feel like hindi na siya viable or hindi na siya ganun ka fulfilling for you. Pwedeng yung iba sa inyo nag-resign sa trabaho or may binago kayo na set up sa career ninyo or sa business ninyo in the recent past. So, sa current energy ninyo, you have the Devil card. So, I think this is you focusing more on your finances and your career. Kasi the Devil, this is related, concerned, or connected sa energy ng Capricorn, which is someone who is really hardworking, focus on career. So, ngayon, parang ano kayo ngayon, you really want to achieve something. Anything materialistic. Na parang for you, this is going to make you feel secured, no? Pagdating sa career or trabaho or business. So, in the near future, let us see. You have the 10 of Pentacles. Oh, a lot of achievements sa career mo. Yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo ay medyo you have already spent a lot of years, like 20 plus years na kayo sa trabaho ninyo, sa company that you are working for. I see some of you resigning or retiring. Ibig sabihin yan, mas may oras at panahon na kayo sa sarili ninyo, sa family ninyo. And some of you maaring mai-involve sa isang business na kung saan, magkano yung nakuha mo na separation pay or retirement pay, yun yung gagamitin mo para magnegosyo. Oo, ang ganda kasi I see you creating yung income mo or yung business na yan, kaya mo siyang ipamana sa mga susunod na generation sa family mo. So I think yung iba sa inyo rito, meron kayong binago na dynamic sa inyong family when it comes to finances. Yung tipong mga from rags to riches or lumaki kayo na hindi ganun ka komportable yung buhay nyo pero nagsumikap kayo, so ngayon nakikita nyo na yung resulta ng pinaghirapan ninyo. So let's see your advice. 9 of Wands. Ang 9 of Wands is still going strong, have that strength kahit na may mga challenges. So, wag daw kayong basta-basta bibitaw, wag kayong basta-basta susuko kapag may mga challenging situation kayo, may mga pagsubok kayong pinagdadaanan sa trabaho nyo, sa finances nyo, kasi lilipas din naman yan. Ang importante is natili kang matatag. You also have the 2 of Pentacles, and ito yung tipong kailangan daw is huwag kayo masyadong kampante sa isang source of income lang. Sabi nga ni Warren Buffett, do not put all your eggs in one basket. So, ilagay nyo yung itlog na yan sa iba't ibang basket. So, this is like you creating different streams or multiple streams of income. Kasi this will also guarantee your success in the future kapag marami kang pinagkukunan ng kaperahan. Multiple streams of income. So, let's see what else. For Virgo. Perspective. Ayan. So, nagbabago na yung pananaw mo pagdating sa pera in a positive way. So, you are seeing the bigger picture now in growing your finances. So, para sa'yo, naiintindihan mo na yung investment, yung stocks, yung pag-invest ng pera mo. Hindi lang sa business but also in yung mga bonds. You also have Eureka. Ayan, meron kang idea in creating new money. Maring anytime soon, meron kang mga bagong maiisip na pwede mong pagkakitaan. Pwedeng inspiration galing yan sa iba na nakikita mo, napapanood mo, or maaring meron kang magiging maiisip na solusyon sa isang problema na pwede mong gawing negosyo. Miscalculation. So, you have to take responsibility for your mistakes. ano man to, moving forward. Kahit ano man yung mga mistakes na yan, kasama yan sa learning process. Ang importante is you're going to learn the lessons and use them for better judgment next time. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.